Fasting, not only, from eating and drinking, but every body part. Hopefully we've all fasted from hearing anything that is haram, seeing anything that is unlawful, doing anything, from saying anything that angers Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this is the true success of a believer in the month of Ramadan. As we come to the end of the spiritual journey, first of all, we need to realize that this end really is a beginning. It's not really the end. Many of us think that towards the end of the month of Ramadan, the month is coming to an end, and this spiritual journey is also coming to the end. Brothers and sisters, this is only the beginning. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has prepared us for a month so that the next 11 months until the following year in the month of Ramadan, we have prepared ourselves spiritually with respect to our faith, with respect to our moral standards. We have prepared ourselves for the upcoming year. That's like going to school or college. When you graduate from college, from university, from school, true, that is the end of those days in which you study, but that's only the beginning. It is the beginning of a new chapter in your life. It is the beginning of a new career, of a new profession. That's how we should view the month of Ramadan, that it is not an end, it is actually a beginning. Let's not be amongst those which the hadith says, that towards the end of times there will come people, Muslims, who will only worship God in the month of Ramadan. You see them that only in this holy month, during these 30 days, they kind of worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They focus a bit on the book of God, on the supplications. But once this month is over, that's it. They say they bid their farewell and say their goodbyes to their religion, to the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they wish to meet it once again next year. Let's not be amongst those Muslims. Let's view the month of Ramadan as a month in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has spiritually prepared us for the following.